Hi YouTube.
Hey YouTube friends and family, this is your boy GB Reviews. Today we're doing the unboxing of the ecobee 4 thermostat and temperature sensor. So this is similar to the one that I did previously, the Nest temperature sensors and thermostat. This is a different brand, it's a Canadian company, and it is a competitor to Nest and to some of the other thermostat products on the market. This is a kind of a smaller company, but they come out swinging at a higher weight class. They are putting some outstanding products on the market, and one of my buddies is helping me out. He's doing an unboxing, and so he's going to show you what's in the box. I'll drop in some notes about just different things that he talks about, and then I'll close out the video. So with that, this is your boy GB. Let's get into it. And my buddy that's doing it, his name is Will. So please show him some love. Put some comments down below what you think about it. So let's get at it.
I'm going to do a quick review of the ecobee 4. It is a thermostat with built-in Alexa voice, and it also has a room sensor, so you can check the temperature in an area in the house, maybe a little colder or hotter than the main area where the thermostat's installed. So let's take a look at the packaging. So the ecobee 4, this one has room sensor, and it also has Alexa enabled, so you can use voice commands with built-in Alexa. This one actually has, it's actually owned by Apple, so if I slide the box open, you'll see that aesthetically it's just like opening up any other Apple product. You got the main thermostat here. It's going to snap onto a panel. This is the extra room sensor. And if I can lift this up, it requires two hands. You'll see that it is packaged just like any Apple product. If you've ever owned any Apple things and opened the box, packaged nicely and efficiently with all the necessary components. So just a quick inventory. You've got all your literature here, installation manual. It's going to guide you to exactly how to install it, how to install your room sensor. You've got some adhesive stickers here, so if you want to identify the wires and also label them so you'll understand what they are maybe the next time around. In this housing, or the packaging, was also kind of a vanity wall plate, so if you have a bigger hole than the actual thermostat size, you'll be able to cover that up with a nice vanity wall plate. Here you have the thermostat and the actual room sensor, remote sensor. And here's some other components for the installation. This one looks like it has red, green, yellow, white wire configuration. You've got like a built-in kind of the wall plate anchor where the wires go with a built-in level, so you can get that squared. You've got the screws and anchors to be able to mount that securely into the wall. And then it looks like there's some type of little assembly here that probably, the round thing there looks like it lines up, so you probably have a little holder. If you want to put the sensor somewhere on a table or a ledge, you can have that sensor mounted on this little holder, and it can register the temperature in a remote area of the room where the thermostat is reading.
So that was quick down and dirty of the ecobee 4 unboxing. You saw what you found in the packet. You found the actual thermometer, or excuse me, the thermostat. You found one temperature sensor in the box, and there's another temperature sensor that's available for purchase. And it's pretty simple. The installation, we'll do that one at a later date, but the installation is very similar to installation for the Nest. You saw that they have the wire management device that actually just shows you how to line up the wires. Once you do that and you connect it to your Wi-Fi, everything will be connected, and you can then rock and roll, control your thermostat from away, check the temperatures in different rooms, things like that. So it's an affordable product. right now, I just checked their site and they were sold out. I think the list price for this is $249. Good product. But like I said, we'll do the install later. I personally rock with the Nest just because I like the Nest products. I like they're a little bit, for me, a little bit more sleek. This is futuristic and sleek, but it's a larger product. So if you look at that kind of like squarish oval that they have, but that doesn't really make sense, but it's a squarish, a rounded square. It's slightly bigger than the circular device that the Nest has, so that's why the wall plate is larger and things like that. But I like it, and it's very sleek. It'll make your house definitely a more smart home, and it's definitely more futuristic. So if you like it, please leave your comments below. Again, thanks to my friend Will for doing this video for me. We're trying to just put out more content, things like that. And so please leave your comments below, subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you can see when our next products come out. But thank you. And this is your boy GB Reviews. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe, but like below.